Sir McBiggins meets Skellinore. She's a level 18 bone warrior in Squizzard's mage army, but only to pay off skeleton student loan debts. Get to know each other, why don't you?
Wow, you're really going all out to cheer up Big Mac. I'm impressed.
Yes, I'm amazing. Anyway, since we're in the neighborhood, care for a quick game of ogres and oubliettes? Like I've been wanting to play all week?
I take it back.
I'm helping our friend first and foremost. See for yourself.
I think he's showing her a picture of Sugar Belle.
What?
And now he's crying.
No, he's not. Let me see that.
Don't touch it. I'm looking.
Give me that.
Cut it out, Discord. Quit it.
She used to do this thing where her nose would wrinkle when she laughed. Right there, in that hole where your nose used to be. I never told her how much I loved Wrinkle Nose Cutie Face. And now I never will.
Okay, I think we've had enough of the aloof Master of Chaos remedies for a broken heart. You know what I do when I have a problem too big to solve? I hide from it. When she can't find you, she'll realize how much she misses you. Plus, if she can't find you, she can't break up with you.
Yup.
Ha!